Hello, today I'll show you how to fix error code U521 on Ticketmaster. Error code U521. Error message: something went wrong, an unexpected error has occurred, please try again later. This is a general error on Ticketmaster when something interrupts the ticket purchase process. It usually appears during payment or checkout. Step 1, restart browser and change payment method. First, close your browser completely and reopen it. Then visit Ticketmaster again. If the issue persists, try using a different payment method. For example, switch from credit card to PayPal or vice versa. This may resolve the issue if it's related to payment processing. Step 2, flush DNS and reset Winsock. Open the Start menu, type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt, choose Run as Administrator. If prompted by UAC, click Yes. Type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. You will see successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Type net winsock reset and press Enter. You will see successfully reset the Winsock catalog. Close Command Prompt and restart your computer. Hopefully the error is now fixed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.